The treatment's coming now, Basil, okay? Keep looking all the way down there.
So I'm Emily Parkinson Watkins. I'm an ophthalmology specialist nurse based in Llandrindod and Brecon. I'm quite new into the role. Firstly, I started back in 2004 as a healthcare assistant, working on the wards. And then I was encouraged to go and do my training. So I qualified then as a staff nurse a few years later. Went to work in A&E and on the wards again. Came down to shadow a few shifts in outpatients. Really enjoyed it. Obviously started to develop a passion for ophthalmology. But yeah, very specialised. It's obviously not easy. It's a very sensitive area. And you only have a 4mm window to work at, or 3.5mm. Yeah, so it's quite nerve-wracking but exciting at the same time. Typical day on a normal ophthalmology clinic, which involves mostly cataract patients, medical retina patients, glaucoma patients. I tend to do visual acuity, gap pressures using the slit lamp, OCT scans, pachymetry, which checks the corneal thickness. Yeah, and just taking basic history from patients as well. I love it. Yeah, nothing's ever the same really. This obviously, the wet AMD side is my medical retina is my favourite side of it. But just making a difference to somebody. You know, like if you can preserve somebody's eyesight, what more can you give someone in life really?